So this is a review of the fish tank aquarium lamp that I would highly recommend. You can see that I absolutely love this fish tank aquarium. It gives like a lamp, a night light, type of thing. If you have a kid or a child that he loves fishes and aquarium stuff, then this is like one of the coolest and funnest things you could get. It gives a little atmosphere, like you have like real fishes. It looks really nice. The quality is very nice. I love how they designed the fishes, and it looks really like it replicates like a real version of it. And this is the on button and off button. You can see that it comes with a electric cord attached to it, which is pretty long. And overall, I would highly recommend this if you are wanting to use something as a night light. Adults could also use this too. It looks really nice too at night. I love how it's really easy to use. Like, that's the on and off button. And overall, I just love the fishes that they have, the quality, and like the job that has been done. It looks the finish is very nice. I love how the quality is. Overall, if you're looking for a nice lamp, a night light, then this is probably one of the best things you could get. It gives a aquarium appearance, and it just looks nice when you have it on at night. So I would highly recommend this.